Can I ask you a few questions about the cloud?
Sure.
What is this cloud everyone's talking about?
That's basically modern technology companies use to build applications faster and cheaper.
What are the dangers of it?
So the cloud isn't dangerous by itself, but essentially attackers would go to where the money is, and the money in the cloud is data. So
What are the solutions for these problems, for the attackers coming?
if you want to protect something, we want to build walls around it and to make sure that nothing gets in. But when something gets in, you need to have the sensors and the guards and stop that before something bad happens.
That's why you're the expert. I heard you guys raised $11 million. How's that even possible? Isn't this a problematic period?
Quite the contrary, I believe that if you have the best team, idea and strategy how to execute upon that, this is actually could be the best time to raise money.
Do you have any advice for young, starting entrepreneurs?
Focus, resilience, ridiculous optimism, and always surround yourself by the best people possible.
Thank you so much. Thank you.